Yep, so this is the first model of the software. So in this software, the teacher has to send an input of an Excel sheet with the question numbers, the questions, the answer key, and the marks allotted for the question, and the totals at the top. So this is one input, and the other input is the answer given by the student. It can be in the text form or the handwriting form, like this one, for example. Now this is the first proper test that I've done with the software, and I've used the OpenAI's API for this, which is like a lower quality one to the one I'm using right now. So here's the Python code. Yep, this is the Python code, and this this code basically corrects the thing using the APIs and sends it back to the Excel sheet. Now this first model, it takes a bit of time to do, like it took around 1 minute. Now the current model doesn't take that much time since since it's using a newer API. And currently I'm working on just a text-based answer for the moment to start off. So like factual based subjects like history, business studies, commerce, geography, psychology, etc. And then I can move on to the sciences, mathematics, computer science, etc. for this software. Now here is the update. Now here's the Excel sheet after being run. Now see, it created a new sheet with the name, and it has given the answer given by the student, the feedback, and for the marking, and the marks given. Now this is the first test. The accuracy of this with text is 100%. However, with handwriting it's a bit lower with this first software. However, the new software, the new code I've made has really has 100% accuracy for handwriting as well. So this is the first test, and this is the output. Now this is the new set of questions that I've added as another test. Here you can see different questions and the answer key for different type of questions. Now for the answer key, that for the answers I've uploaded in the handwritten form. For most of them, for most of the questions, I've added a few wrong points to check how it would work, how to check if it's wrong. So for the first one, I've put it correctly. For the second one, however, I've added a point about communist in price mechanism, which is totally wrong. And for the second, for the history question, I just didn't add a point, and for the cricket question, I also added a wrong point. So this is the code. Now in this code, I've added a few like print commands as well to see if anything is wrong. And this uses Google Cloud Vertex AI instead of OpenAI's API. So this one takes a bit less time, and it's much more accurate in reading the handwriting and also helping me to mark it as well. So now the code is finished. Now I'll open the Excel sheet, and here you can see yeah, the new folder has been, the new worksheet has been created, and as you can see, it has been marked correctly. One mark has been lost in the price mechanism question, 1.5 gone in the history question, and 1 gone in the cricket question. And so you can see total mark 6.5 as well. So here is the feedback, and the reasoning is also given for each part. So the marking becomes objective. That's one of the advantages of the software, along with saving the time of the teachers as well. Now I'm gonna test it a bit more, like adding a few more scripts, etc., and try to convert this into a user interface rather than just a backend software, since this is just a basic idea of how it would work. And also obviously trying to incorporate large scale correcting. For example, if a teacher wants to correct all the papers, all the tests of all the students in the class, so this Excel sheet would create as many sheets as there are students, and it could also give the student a basic idea how they can improve, and also incorporating a data analysis worksheet, which could tell which questions the students fared the best, common mistakes made, etc., and which places the students should focus a bit more on,